there, this is Christina with WTI. Have you tried a liquid eyeliner yet? Some shy away from it because they feel like it's too hard to apply, but I have to say this one by NYX, the Epic Ink Liner, is so easy to apply. It goes on so well. Just take a look. First off, the tip on this eyeliner makes it because it's so nice and pointed, and so you're able to apply it very easily and gently. You can make a line as thin or as thick as you like. I just love it. Something else that I love about this eyeliner is that you can make the perfect wing with it. It's very forgiving, and when I tell you I am no makeup artist, that should let you know you can use it too. Whether you're an old pro at putting on liquid eyeliner or a newbie, I definitely would recommend this one by NYX, but that's just my point of view.